Hello everyone, welcome once again to the maths class. In today's class we are going to learn a new topic, and that is quadratic equations. Any equation that is written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0 is a quadratic equation. So if I have an expression like 2x squared minus 5x minus 10 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Another thing about quadratic equation is that the highest power in a quadratic equation is 2. As you can see in the expression written above, the highest power is 2. So in this class, we're going to learn one of the methods of solving a quadratic equation, which is solving quadratic equation by factorization method. And I recall from our previous videos that we solved questions on factorization before. So we are going to need those steps in solving these quadratic equations that we'll be solving. So let's look at factorization method. Factorization method, solving quadratic equation by factorization method. Very simple question. Solve the equation, the quadratic equation, m squared equals to 16. As you can see from this expression, that the highest value of m here, the power of m here is 2. The highest power there is 2. So to solve this equation, the solution is shown below. To solve this equation, m squared minus equals to what? 16. You just take the square root on both sides. Take square roots on both sides. So we have square roots of m squared and of course square root of 16. So on this side you introduce a plus or minus sign. So what do we have here now? We have this, cancel out this. Then we have m equal to plus or minus 4. Now we're not going to stop here, because m is either plus 4 or minus 4. That is the significance of having a plus and minus sign on that side. So we've been able to use a simple method to solve this question. Rather here we didn't really factorize, but it is a straightforward question that you can solve because the highest power of m is 2. But what if you are asked to factorize an expression, or an expression that is already factorized, and you are asked to solve that expression? Take a look at this now. Let's assume we have solve the expression a squared minus 3a, or in bracket like this, equals to 0. And they are asked to what? To solve the question. So what do we do here? We go straight to the solution. We first of all, looking at this question, what do we need to do? We need to factorize. So factorizing now, factorize the expression. We have a into bracket a minus 3, that is bringing out the factor a minus 3 equals to what? 0. So you can now say that either this a here is equals to 0, this is equals to 0, or you can say the whole part of this is equals to 0. So a minus 3 equals to what? 0. So going by the fact that a is already 0 on this side, and the fact that here a is equal to what? Is equals to 3. That is bringing minus 3 over here. That is 0 plus 3, and that will give you what? 3. So I hope from this video you've been able to learn something on how to solve a quadratic equation by factorizing, as in example 2 where we factorize and then we solve. So in subsequent videos we're going to show you or solve more questions that are also quadratic, and we can now apply the method of factorization to solve the quadratic equation. So see you in other videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.